This video is to show how to select the RF mode of operation on the RF Solutions SLIMDIN receiver. The SLIMDIN receiver can operate in 4 modes: FM, LoRa Spread Spectrum Mode 1, 3 or 7. This table is shown in the datasheet, which will hopefully make things clearer. So in order to select the mode of operation, you need to use this table to look for the specific LED number attached to that mode. It's important to remember that before you set the RF mode on your SLIMDIN receiver, you must first always select menu 3. To put the SLIMDIN into menu 3, press and hold the M button for 2 seconds. The LED will flash like so. So now, when you press the M button, you can select which number menu you wish to use. We need to select menu 3. I cycle 3. Now to select your menu, you press your L button. Now I'm in menu 3, I can press my M button to cycle through the modes of operation. So the SLIMDIN is supplied in FM mode, which is LED 1. Say I wish to change this from FM to a different mode of operation, you can take a look at the table and select the number LED for the desired mode of operation. So say I wish to select LoRa Mode 1, LED 2, LoRa Mode 3, LED 3, and LoRa Mode 7, LED 4. To select the mode of operation, I press the L switch. All the LEDs flash, and there you go. I've now changed the mode of operation from FM to LoRa Mode 7. For more information on our SLIMDIN receiver, check out our other videos on our YouTube channel, or alternatively, check the product datasheet.